Introduction. Hi, everyone. Welcome to English with Friends, your place for easy and fun ways to improve your English skills. I'm so happy to see you here today. Learning a new language can feel challenging, but trust me, you can do it, and I'm here to help. Today, I'm sharing something really special, my secret to becoming fluent in English. It's simple, effective, and best of all, anyone can do it. Whether you're just starting out or you've been learning for a while, this tip works for everyone. What makes this secret so powerful? Well, it doesn't require expensive tools, fancy apps, even a partner to practice with. It's something you can start today, right now, wherever you are. So if you've been feeling stuck or unsure how to make progress, stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to take your English speaking to the next level. Before we dive in, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy this video and find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends who are also learning English. Your support helps me create more videos like this, and together, we can grow as a community of English learners. Are you ready? Let's get started. Fluency in English doesn't have to be overwhelming. It's not about being perfect. It's about taking small, consistent steps every day. Here are 3 simple tips that anyone can follow, no matter their level. These methods worked for me, and I know they can work for you too. 1. Practice speaking English. Every day, even for 5 minutes, speaking is one of the most important skills to develop when learning a language. And the best way to get better is by actually speaking. Start small, just 5 minutes a day. Talk to yourself about what you're doing. While making breakfast, say, I am cooking eggs. I am pouring coffee. Before going to bed, reflect on your day. Today I went to the park. It was sunny and I enjoyed walking. If you feel shy, you don't even need an audience. Speak in front of a mirror or record yourself on your phone. Hearing your voice in English helps you identify areas to improve and builds your confidence over time. Why it works. Speaking daily rewires your brain to think in English. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. Mistakes are proof that you're learning. 2. Learn a few words or phrases daily and use them in sentences. Building your vocabulary is like building blocks for fluency. Start with 3 to 5 new words every day. Choose words that are useful for your daily life or that interest you. For example, if you're learning about food, learn words like spoon, plate, and delicious. If you're planning to travel, focus on phrases like, where is the nearest bus stop? Or, how much does this cost? The key is to use these words in sentences immediately. Write them down, say them out loud, and practice in context. For example, if you learn the word delicious, create a sentence like, this pizza is delicious. I love the taste. Why it works when you use new words in sentences, your brain connects them to real-life situations. This makes it easier to remember and use them later. Learning just a few words daily adds up quickly. By the end of a year, you could know over 1,000 new words. 3. Listen to English songs, podcasts, or watch shows with subtitles. Listening is a powerful way to improve your fluency. It helps you understand pronunciation, rhythm, and how sentences are naturally formed. Choose materials you enjoy, such as songs. Pick songs with clear lyrics, like those by the Beatles or Adele. Sing along to practice pronunciation. Podcasts. Listen to beginner-friendly podcasts like ESL Pod or The English We Speak, TV shows and movies. Watch your favorite shows with English subtitles. For beginners, start with slow and simple dialogues, like in Friends or animated movies. While listening, try to repeat phrases or imitate the speaker's tone and pronunciation. You'll start to notice common phrases and patterns used in everyday conversations. Why it works. Listening to native speakers helps you get used to the flow of the language. Over time, you'll recognize words and phrases without needing to translate them in your head. This boosts your understanding and makes speaking easier. The benefits of these simple steps. Taking small, consistent actions like these every day builds your confidence and fluency naturally. You don't need to spend hours studying or live in an English-speaking country to improve. Here's what happens when you follow these tips. Confidence grows. Speaking daily and learning new words helps you feel more comfortable using English. Natural improvement. Listening to native speakers helps you pick up proper pronunciation and common expressions. Stronger habits. Practicing consistently creates a routine, making learning English a regular part of your day. Remember, fluency isn't a race, it's a journey. Every small step you take brings you closer to your goal. Start with these tips and you'll be amazed at how much progress you make. Let me tell you my story. When I started learning English, I was terrified to speak. I knew some words and I understood basic grammar, but every time I tried to talk, I froze. My mind would go blank, and I'd feel embarrassed because I made so many mistakes. I worried that people would laugh at me or think I wasn't smart enough. I remember one specific moment when I tried to order food at a restaurant. I wanted to say, "I'd like a sandwich, please." But instead I said something like, "I like sandwich." The waiter didn't understand me, and I felt so frustrated. After that, I avoided speaking English altogether. But then I realized something important. Mistakes are part of learning. Instead of being afraid, I decided to try a new approach. One day I told myself, just start small. Practice alone first. So I started talking to myself in English every day. Just 5 minutes a day. Sounds funny, right? But it worked. I would describe what I was doing, like, I'm making tea. I'm walking to the store. This weather is so nice today. At first it felt strange. I thought, is this really helping? But slowly I noticed a change. My confidence grew. Words came to me faster, and I stopped translating everything in my head. Over time, I began using English in real conversations, and I didn't feel as nervous anymore. Now I can speak without fear. I make mistakes sometimes, but I don't let them stop me. Fluency isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Practicing every day, even for just a few minutes, made all the difference. That's my secret. It's simple, and anyone can do it. You don't need fancy tools or expensive lessons. Just 5 minutes a day and the courage to keep trying. If I can do it, so can you. Learning English can feel like a big task, but the secret to progress is starting small. Here are 3 easy tips you can use every day to improve your skills and build confidence. These steps are simple, fun, and perfect for beginners. 1. Talk about your daily routine in English. One of the best ways to practice speaking is by talking about what you do every day. You don't need anyone to practice with. Just speak to yourself, even in front of a mirror. For example, when you wake up, say, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm getting ready for work. While cooking, describe what you're doing. I'm cutting vegetables. I'm boiling water. Before bed, reflect on your day. Today, I went shopping. It was a nice day. The more you talk, the more natural it will feel. Don't worry if you make mistakes. What matters is that you're practicing. 2. Learn 3 new words every day and use them in sentences. Building your vocabulary is a simple but powerful way to improve your English. Each day, choose 3 new words. These could be related to your interests, daily life, or a topic you want to learn about. Write the words down and make sentences with them. For example, if you learn the word delicious, you could say, "This pizza is delicious." With the word interesting, you might say, "This book is interesting." Using the words right away helps you remember them and builds your confidence to use them in conversations. 3. Watch your favorite movies or shows with English subtitles. This tip is both entertaining and educational. Pick a movie or show you love and watch it with English subtitles. For beginners, start with something simple, like cartoons or sitcoms with clear dialogues. Focus on listening to how words are pronounced, reading the subtitles to connect words with their meanings, repeating phrases out loud to practice your pronunciation. This technique helps you improve your listening skills and teaches you common phrases and expressions that native speakers use. The key, these steps may seem small, but when you practice them every day, they add up to big results. Remember, consistency is the secret to fluency. 5. Encouragement. Don't worry about making mistakes. They're a natural part of learning. Every time you try, you're one step closer to becoming fluent. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress no matter how small. The important thing is to keep practicing every day. You're doing amazing, and I believe in you. 6. Ending and engagement. Thank you so much for watching. What's your favorite way to practice English? Share it with me in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Let's keep learning together. See you in the next video.